Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, bit of a shaky start. Got the dash here that we done in the last episode. So this episode we're going to be doing the final piece. You see the little hole there? So we got a shift light going in there. So last year bought one of these Hilltech gear indicators, which I got recommended from a few people. I tried a couple of the eBay ones and they're a bit, well, let's just say it didn't work very well. Ran that for the second half of the season last year and it seems pretty good. And Hilltech do add-ons, so I thought I'd stay with the Hilltech stuff and give it a go. So parcel turned up this morning, and this is we're going to do a bit of a unboxing and fit it, and I'll give you a review and let you know what I think. So here we go. Here's the new package. Let's see what we got inside here then. Right, so I've ordered this from BDS, which is Biker Discount Store. It seemed pretty good price and very helpful. So this is the actual shift light. As you can see, the shift light is the same size and shape as the gear indicator in the car, so they match quite well. With these shift lights, they're fully programmable, so you get an app onto the like an Android device, and you can adjust 3 different types of shift lights with different rev ranges, and well, basically says there. So take it all out, see what we got, and then we'll try and fit it. As I say, I've been pretty impressed with this stuff before, so hopefully this is going to be as good. We'll throw these away. I'm not a fan of them. That is, I mean, that's as simple as it gets really. You got your live, your neutral, and then that's going to go onto the rev counter, and then the rest is all done in the app. So very quickly. So instructions there, how to set it all up, all in English, not translated from Chinese, which always helps. If you're a sticker person, it comes with plenty of stickers as well. All the stickers there. Right, let's give it a go. Right, so everything's connected up. So we're going to turn the app on now and see how it goes. So ignition on. Here we go. So Shift Light Pro app. So that's disconnected at the moment. So just go into settings, onto Bluetooth, Shift Light Pro, connect up to that. Back into here. Then connect in the bottom corner, Shift Light Pro, click on that, so that's connected. So that will download the data that's already on there. I've already had a play around with this app. It's fairly simple to use actually, but it's worth having a little play before you sort of set everything up. So you've basically got your stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 of the shift light. If you click on one of them, it comes up and just shows you what's going on. So that's stage 2, Stage 3 I've got as a flashing one. So on there you can set pretty much any colour you want. So say for example with the red, if you turn it up to full, that's as bright as it will get. It's nice and bright. That's a bit too much for when we're driving along. So we turn that right down, which I think that'll be plenty. I mean, we can play around with it on the track, but see how it goes. So you've got your engine speed, so that's what revs it will come in at. You can have it flashing, number of flashes, that kind of thing. Stage 2 is just a solid light, so I've turned the flashing off on that, set the rev range, and then I've chosen like an orange colour, and then minimum. So this is the first light that comes in, set to 9,000, set it to green, turn the delay off. So there are your three stages. You've also got on here, where is it? Hold on, bear with me whilst I find it. So in settings, so this bit here, so bit at the top, it says 100 at the moment, 200, 300, 400. That is basically where you would want kind of, so if you didn't want it to flicker in between revs, so if it's sort of in between revs it would flicker on and off. So you can set that to say every 400 revs it counts when the light's going to come on. But I had to play around with it earlier and it works pretty well on 100, so every 100 RPM that's when it will detect. And then with the pulses per rev and the tacho sync, you can sync it right up so it's spot on with the actual engine RPM, so you know it is working perfectly, because these can be between sort of 5 and 20% out depending on the gauges you use. That's pretty much it really. It's a very simple app to use. I'm quite impressed with it. Nice and easy to change. If you need to, you can do it at the trackside. So if I was to summarise the shift light, I'd sort of say that it was nice and simple to use. It's one of the more expensive ones, but then you always get what you pay for. Very easy to connect in. Once you've had a play around with the app, it's pretty simple to kind of adjust, and it's very programmable. You can have pretty much anything you want on it. They're also fully waterproof, so if you're using it on a bike or something like that, they are pretty good for that. I think that's what they're mainly designed for. But I'm pretty sure you could fit that to anything that's got a signal wire for a rev counter. You have to run the engine up and it just sort of monitors and kind of programs itself to your engine. Works really well with the shift light, exactly the same shape and size, and this I've been really impressed with as well. So overall I'd say it's a win-win really.